Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. As you can see, I've got this notification bubble here, which simply means that our device will automatically notify us that we've got some updates pending. If for some reason your device do not do that, then you can still enter this section on your own. So as I said, in the settings, system and updates, then software update here. And as you can see right now, your device will check if you've got the software up to date. If not, you will be notified about that. So you can see that right now I can download and install new version of the software. However, I don't want to do it right now, but I highly recommend to use this button to get the newest versions because they are much safer than the older ones. Yeah, so basically here you can check for the software updates. Of course, if you're up to date, then your device will show you that no worries, you don't have to download anything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check for the software updates in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.